Financial stability starts with smart tools and strong partnerships. The power of smart cash flow management. Cash flow isn't just a financial metric. It's the current that powers every function of your business, from paying bills and employees to funding growth and innovation. Cash flow is what keeps your operations alive. You could be generating a profit on paper, but without actual cash in hand, your business can feel like it's gasping for air. Many businesses, even the most promising ones, falter not because they lack customers or good products, but because they mismanage the movement of money. That's why understanding and mastering cash flow is essential. It's the cornerstone of business longevity and peace of mind. But this mastery doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of intentional planning, smart tools, and building supportive relationships. Let's explore how to make that your reality. Why cash flow matters. So what exactly is cash flow? At its core, it's the movement of money in and out of your business. Sounds simple, but don't let that fool you. A business can generate solid revenue and still run into financial trouble if cash isn't flowing consistently. Healthy cash flow means you can pay expenses, weather slow months, and seize new opportunities without relying on expensive loans or risky credit. It's what allows a business owner to sleep at night, knowing that tomorrow's obligations are already handled. When cash flow falters, though, stress sets in. Bills get delayed, payroll becomes a burden, and the fear of missing out on growth opportunities looms large. But with clarity and a strong system in place, you can shift from survival mode to strategic leadership. Technology, your silent financial partner. We're living in a time when technology can do a lot of the heavy lifting for you, if you let it. Gone are the days when tracking expenses meant juggling spreadsheets and bank statements. Modern financial tools offer real-time insight, automation, and predictive analytics that take the guesswork out of managing money. Cashflow Mojo, for example, isn't just a record keeper. It's a planning and decision-making system. It helps you see what's coming in, what's going out, and where you might hit a bump in the road before it happens. Tools like this act as your digital CFO, empowering you to make smart decisions with confidence. If you're curious how that could change your daily workflow, there's a link in the description and comments for you to explore. The overlooked power of vendor relationships. Vendors are often seen as transactional, send invoice, receive payment. But when you treat them as strategic partners, your financial flexibility improves dramatically. Think about it. Negotiating longer payment terms, such as moving from 30 to 90 days, gives you more time to collect customer payments before you pay suppliers. That's extra breathing room in your cash flow. Some vendors offer early payment discounts. If your cash position is strong, taking advantage of those discounts can increase your margins significantly. It's not just about paying less. It's about optimizing your cash cycle. And perhaps most importantly, paying vendors on time, or better yet early, builds trust. When tough times hit, those vendors are more likely to extend grace or offer better terms to companies they believe in. Strategic vendor management for stability. Vendor management isn't just for large corporations. Small and medium-sized businesses can benefit even more by being proactive and intentional in how they handle supplier relationships. Use technology to stay on top of due dates. Separate essential vendors from those you can renegotiate with. Align your payment cycles with your revenue flow, especially if your business is seasonal. And when possible, Consolidate orders with a few key vendors to increase your negotiation power. One small business was able to renegotiate vendor terms from 30 to 90 days. The result? An extra $25,000 in monthly cash availability. That money was redirected into marketing and operations, leading to increased sales and a stronger foundation. This kind of flexibility doesn't require a miracle. It requires systems, strategy, and communication. Overcoming cash flow challenges with smart tools. Cash flow issues often sneak up on business owners. A late-paying client, a surprise expense, a slow season that lasts longer than expected. But the right tools can help you prepare instead of panic. Cash flow forecasting tools analyze historical data to project future trends. This lets you anticipate shortages before they occur and adjust accordingly. Expense tracking software helps eliminate wasteful spending. Automated reminders ensure that invoices get paid and that you get paid on time. And by integrating these tools, you'll not only gain efficiency, but also peace of mind. Studies show that businesses using financial management platforms see improved profitability and reduced stress within just a few months. Tools like Cashflow Mojo bring all of this into one clear system, helping you make data-driven decisions without drowning in spreadsheets. Taking action from chaos to confidence. A chaotic cash flow situation doesn't have to be your norm. The shift begins when you take control, when you move from reacting to planning. Cashflow Mojo is designed to be your system of control. It guides you through organizing your financial priorities, tracking the most important cash flows, and managing vendor relationships smartly. It's not flashy, it's effective, and that's what your business needs. Business owners who embrace tools like this report a renewed sense of control. They're not checking their bank balance every day with anxiety. They're running their businesses with vision and strategy. The link is in the description and the comments if you'd like to see how it might work for you. There's no pressure, just clarity. Predictable cash flow, sustainable growth. Cash flow is the difference between a business that barely gets by and one that grows steadily, confidently, and consistently. The good news? You don't have to have all the answers today, but you do need a roadmap. That starts with paying attention, taking small steps, and leveraging tools that simplify your journey. Strong cash flow means freedom. It means being able to say yes to new opportunities, to hire when needed, to invest when it matters. It means weathering slow months without panic and ending the year stronger than you started. By applying what you've learned here, strengthening your vendor partnerships, implementing smart financial tools, and taking a strategic approach to managing money, you can unlock financial stability and create lasting success. Your business deserves that, and you do too. So if you're ready to take that next step, you'll find the link to Cashflow Mojo below. Explore it. See what resonates. You just might find that this is the missing piece that turns your cash flow into a strength, not a struggle.